ever noticed, dalawang tao can hear the exact same words pero completely magkaiba ang intindi nila. Hindi lang kasi nakikinig ang mga tao gamit lang ang tenga. Nakikinig tayo gamit ang experiences natin, past wounds, traumas, beliefs, at expectations. Kaya minsan, sabihin mo lang na, you have to let go of the past. Yung isa, may iisip, nga no, siguro nga kailangan ko na mag-move forward. Pero yung isa, ang maririnig niya, ang mayabang ka, wala kang karapatan na sabihin sa akin yan. Parehong salita, pero magkaibang kwento ang nabuo sa isip nila. Minsan, simpleng compliment, nagiging insulto sa iba. Minsan, gusto mo lang tumulong, pero ang naririnig nila, gina-judge mo na sila. Because people don't always hear your words. They hear them through the lens of who they are and what they've been through. That's why communication isn't about what was said. It's also about how it was received. Kaya kung ikaw ang nagsasalita, choose your words carefully. Pero kung ikaw naman ang nakikinig, huwag kang mag-react kaagad. Ask yourself, narinig ko ba talaga ang sinabi niya o yung sugat ko lang ang sumasagot? Because good communication isn't just about speaking with kindness. It's also about listening with understanding, not just with emotions.